What's that song with the deer?
Forgot. Diba, he had antlers, but he was still wearing the...
He got hit by a car and then you could see his feet, and they were deer feet. Slater. Hey, Slater.
Ay, hindi pala. Ano yun?
You know Fall Out Boy?
Oh.
You know, what's that song in the music video where he's a deer at the end? Oh, no.
Hindi ko alam.
What's one of their sikat songs?
Hindi ko alam yung video.
But any songs you know?
Fall Out Boy?
Oo.
Fall Out Boy.
Hindi ko natapos. Oo, din eh.
Oh,
Sorry.
No.
I got Usher songs. You want Usher songs?
Yeah. But I remember
Hindi ko
all
alam
the
Fall Out
songs.
Boy.
Ano ba yan?
Yeah. I was with Ludacris, Little John, and Usher.
Madilim na sa labas, no? Oo.
Nalabas ka? Sabi ko, ayaw mo.
Ang gagawin ba tayo ngayon? Kaya pa-play po ng Kiss the Girl ni Sebastian po. Para kay Kevin tsaka Pamo.
He'll never play in his homes.
He will
Except for
play.
that one time that they played. I remember one time I was like, I was like, oh, I wish I could hear that One Night Romance song. And then it played and I was like, yay!
Ay, kuya, One Night Romance na lang po. Please. Pampasenti lang. Sige na, kuya.
Damn. I've grown accustomed to her face. Accustomed to her face.
One Night Romance, I feel like a hero.
Cause we do it in the
How does it go?
dark.
One Night Romance.
I don't want another one night romance, la la la. No, it's a different song. La la la.
Yeah,
So
One Night
everyone
Romance.
is singing la 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 la.
Something about the boyfriend.
Everybody's singing.
Oh my, that song is for you,
You
man.
can wait till I get home.
Diba? Because
And I
he's
swear
talking
to
about
you,
the girl
we
and the
can
girl
make
having a
it
relationship.
last.
And the guy saying,
Really?
no, I don't want a one-night romance because you're still in a
Till I
relationship.
get home.
Kuya, can you play it lang po?
To
Para po kay
you
Kevin.
That we can make this last.
Kasi para
It
feeling ko,
might
para
be
sa kanya pa
for
yung kanta
the
na yan.
best. I know you don't mean what I need.
Please, kuya.
Everything. Not some boy that you can sway.
One Night
You know this happened eventually. La
Does it go?
la 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 la.
Ano yan yung one-night romance?
Not sure. I forgot. Nakalimutan ko.
But it has something to do with, basta the guy talking about the girl and the girl having a relationship.
Oh, really?
Hmm.
I didn't know that's what it was about.
That's why he was saying, no, I don't want a one-night romance. I want you. And that- Hmm.
Have you heard A Day to Remember?
Have you heard of Ako is Super Perfect?
Darling.
Very hot, but with a little bit of eye bags, but that's okay. That's part of the sunset. You heard of that?
Yeah.
Shut up!
I said, hey, darling, I hope that you... All I remember is the chorus. It goes, till everyone is singing la, la. And it was pretty cool, because hearing it live, a live track, it's like, till everyone is singing la, 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 la. Everything sounds cool when a bunch of people are singing it in synchronization. Wait till I get home, and I swear to you, we can make this last. So that's what I sound like. La, la, la. You know, if you cover your ears, that's how you sound like. Because there's no vibration that you're hearing.
No?
Oh.
California?
What?
What's up, Cali?
Ako dito. Bakit?
Wala. Ay, yan ako po.
Kaya lang. Ano?